Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I will be showing you another method in making money online where we can earn a lot by just clicking buttons on your phone. This method has a lot of payout options, so you don't have to worry about that at all. This is also absolutely free, so it means that you won't have to spend a dime on this. And this method is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can do this. And if you have been watching my videos for the past weeks now, you already know that I am going to walk you through all the steps right here. So I want you to stay with me until the end so you won't miss out on important details. And I will be sharing another tip or a special tip right here somewhere in this video where you can earn double and triple. You already know that I don't want you guys to miss out on that information. So please, again, don't skip any part of this video. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Mac Money, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content like this. Go ahead and smash the like button for me and leave a comment down below if you have questions. Now let's go back to the video. Alright, so this is the website which will help us in making money online. As you can see right here, Free Logo Maker. Create stunning logos in seconds. And if you scroll down here below, you can see all these beautiful logos and colorful logos. These are all professionally made and they look really great for businesses and organizations. And all of these stunning looking logos have been made from this website or have been created with this website. So this is what we're going to do in today's method. Did you know that with one logo you can earn $20 to $25? And if you do 10 logos, that'll be $250. Do 30 logos and you'll earn $750. So this is actually a really great method because just by making logos, you can earn money. And especially if you have a lot of time in your hands, you can make more than 3 or 5 logos in a day. You can even make up to 10 logos a day if you want to, or more. What I also love about this website is that they have a lot of different payment options, so you don't have to worry at all. Also guys, I want you to comment down below what is your favorite payment options so that I can make more videos about making money online where you can cash out with no problems at all. Also guys, you don't have to worry about making the logos because you don't need prior experience to do this. You don't even need design skills at all. All you need to have is a mobile phone or a laptop where you can do this. And of course, an internet connection. Now, if you look at here below, create professional logos, high-resolution logos in just a few clicks. This is the logo maker built for entrepreneur on the go. No design experience necessary. Again, no design experience necessary. So you don't have to worry at all, even if you're just a beginner. Build a unique brand. So there are endless design possibilities. You can customize your logo from hundreds of templates, icon, and color combinations in their design studio. So what I really love about this website is that they have hundreds and hundreds of different templates made just for you. So all you have to do is just make a few clicks and then you're good to go. That way you can save a lot of time and a lot of money. Also, as you can see right here, customized for your industry, edit logos tailored specifically to your niche. This means that if you make different logos for different industries or different niche, then you can make a whole lot more money. I suggest you do that. So for example, you're gonna make a logo for the beauty industry, or let's say food industry, and then business industry. You can do a lot and you can make a lot for different people or business owners. More logos, more income. And if we scroll down here below, you can see that this website has been trusted by over 140,000 business owners. Oh, and by the way, the name of this website is Hatchful. This is over at hatchful.shopify.com. Again, hatchful.shopify.com. Now, of course, in order to start, we have to click on Get Started right here. And when you click on that, you'll be redirected to this page where you can choose your business space. This will help the website in creating better designs just for us. So this is where you're going to choose your niche or your industry. As you can see, there are a lot to choose from. We have here fashion, health and beauty, home and garden, food and drink, sports and recreational, gifts and collectibles, tech, arts and photos, children, we have pets. And if you don't find your niche here, you can just select none of the above. They can still create templates for you. Now, I am going to make a logo on, let's say, health and beauty. Let me click on this and then click on next. So after you select your industry, click on next. You'll then come up here on this page where you have to choose your visual style. So there are a lot of visual styles. We have bold, calm, reliable, classic, conservative, creative, elegant, energetic, and you can see there's a whole lot more here below. So you can choose whatever you like or whatever you want your logo would feel like or would look like. Now you can choose up to 3 different visual styles. Let me just click on calm, classic, and creative. And then I'm gonna click on next. So right here, you're going to add your business name. So whatever is the business name of your client is, you are gonna put the business name right here. So for example, just for the sake of this tutorial, I am gonna put Mr. McMoney. And then right here, you can add a slogan below. And that is really optional. So it depends on you or it depends on the client if they want their slogan on their logo. For me, I'm just gonna leave that blank right now and then click on next. Right here, tell us where the logo will be used, so choose all that may apply. So if you're gonna use it online or for a website, then you can choose this. For social media, for print and swag, business cards, large surfaces, physical stores, or none of the above. Now I'm just gonna click on online store and website, social media, and I'll try business cards and then click on next. Again, this is just an example just for this tutorial, but you guys, you really have to check whatever is applicable because this is for your client, okay? So right now that we are here, we are redirected to this page right now. You can see that they have a lot of different logos made just for us. You can see that these are all professional looking logos and you can choose whatever you like or whatever you think is fit for the business of your client. So for example, I'm gonna click this one right here because I actually like this. So let me just click on this and then I'll be redirected to this page right here where we can edit the logo. So as you can see right here, I can still edit the business name. I can change that, and right here below you can add the slogan. Now this template does not support slogans, but other templates do. So you can just choose whatever you like again in the previous page. Now if you want to change the font, you can change it here. You can select different fonts right here. If you want to change the color, then you can also change it right here. So let me just try and click this blue color here. Let's change it to blue. And for the icons, you can also change that. So as you can see, this right here, the icon is a leaf. So if I am going to change it to like something different, let's just try this one right here. Then it'll change like so automatically. You don't have to do the work. You don't have to do some adjustments yourself. All you have to do is just click buttons. You just have to click all of these right here. Also, there is this layout option right here where you can change the layout of your logo. So as you can see, you can click on this and this will change like that, like so. And if you want this one, if you think this is better or if you think this looks better, then you can click on that as well. So you can choose a lot of different layouts. And then when you find your perfect layout, or if you're satisfied already with the layout, then all you have to do is click on next. And then right here, congratulations on your new logo. Download your free logos now. All you have to do is just click on download logo right here, and then you'll be redirected to this pop-up page where you need to create an account in order for you to successfully download the logo. So add in your email right here and create a password. And if you already have an account, you can sign in right here. Okay? Now before we proceed to the next page, I want to ask you guys, if ever you earn money with this method, what are you going to use that money for? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so right now, I know you guys have been meaning to ask me, where are we going to find clients? Or where are we going to find people who will pay us to make logos for them? Okay, now I want you to go to twitter.com. Yes, that's right, we're gonna go to twitter.com. It's okay if you're using your personal account, or if you want to create a new account, then create one. And it's easy to sign up. You already know how to do that. So after you created an account, or if you have already logged in, I want you to go over here to the search bar and search for I need a logo. As you click on search or enter, you'll see here there are a lot of results. There are people who are looking for other people to make logos for them. And what you'll have to do is just reply to these people or send them a direct message telling them, hey, I make logos for just $20. And then you can have a conversation with them, talk about whatever they like and all that. And if you can close the deal, you can now create logos for people right here. And there are a lot of different people looking for logos online, so you will never run out of that. That is how you're gonna look for clients in Twitter. Now, since you've reached this far in my video, I am going to share you guys the bonus tip which will help you earn more, which will help you earn double and triple with this method. What I want you to do, guys, is go over to peopleperhour.com. Now, some of you guys may have been familiar with this website already because I have mentioned peopleperhour.com in some of my videos as well. So this is actually a freelancing website where you can sign up as a freelancer, and then people will come over here to look for different services. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna offer the logo making service. You're gonna create an account and then you're gonna put your rate. Let's say you can start with small rates at first. If you want to, you can start with $5, but I suggest you start with $15, $20, $25, something like that. Now, when people come over here to peopleperhour.com, they will see your profile and they will message you. They will ask you to make a logo for them, and that's what you're gonna do. Okay, this is where people come to use their skills or to use different websites to earn money. This way, you will not do all of the work, right? All you have to do is just click buttons, and this is really easy for you. So I suggest you do that. And that's it. If you learned something from this video, please don't forget to smash the like button and hit subscribe. Also, don't forget to click on the notification bell. Guys, if you have any questions at all, don't forget to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!